In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your third-party domain to Shopify in just a few minutes. Whether you're just starting out with Shopify or you've been using it for a while, linking your custom domain is a crucial step in establishing your online brand identity. A personalized domain not only gives your store a professional look, but also helps your customers find you easily. Today, we'll walk through this process to make sure everything is set up correctly. First, let's log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the overview of your store dashboard. This is where you manage every aspect of your Shopify business, from products and orders to discounts and settings. Look around to familiarize yourself, but for today, we're going to focus on the settings. Next, direct your attention to the lower left corner of your dashboard. Here, you'll see a gear icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on this icon. The Settings page is the control center for configuring various aspects of your store, and we're going to dive into the Domains section. In the left menu of the Settings page, select Domains. This section handles all things related to your store's web addresses. Shopify allows you to manage your primary domain and any other domains you've added. It gives your store online visibility, ensuring customers land on your preferred site. Now, we're on the Domains page. You'll notice an option that says Connect Existing Domain. Click on this option, as this is the key step to linking a domain you've purchased externally. Shopify will prompt you with a field to enter the domain you want to connect. Make sure you type in your domain correctly, as it's vital for ensuring your store is accessible and operates smoothly. This step allows Shopify to recognize your domain and prepares it for the next steps. Once you've input your domain, Shopify will guide you through specific instructions to update your domain provider settings. Typically, this involves changing your DNS settings to point your domain towards Shopify. Every domain provider has a different dashboard, but generally, you'll need to modify the A record and C name if they aren't automatically updated. These changes allow Shopify to manage your domain traffic effectively. And there you have it. Your domain is now linked to Shopify. This straightforward process ensures your site is accessible and seamlessly integrated with the Shopify platform. Keep in mind that DNS changes can sometimes take a little time to propagate, so don't worry if you don't see changes immediately. By following these steps, you've taken a significant move in professionalizing your online presence. Your customers will now reach you easily through your personalized domain, boosting both your store's credibility and visibility. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Shopify!